Hello everyone, Adam Hill Vending, and this is breaking news directly from the Nayax card reader company. If you're not familiar, this is a credit card reader brand, and unfortunately they have been experiencing a lot of bad press. And I have been reached out to by someone within the company, someone with internal knowledge, and I want to share that message with you, okay? If you may or may not know, but they have been getting trashed online for their customer service support, and it's really tarnishing their image. A great product, but they've had some issues with their service. Maybe you've experienced it, or maybe not. But I'm going to read to you what they sent to me and pass that along, and then you can do with that information what you would like. So, over the past few months, we've been working hard to address the technical support issues our customers have been facing, and we are thrilled that we and you can now see a significant improvement in our services for technical support. Customers calling with technical problems are experiencing an average of 5 minutes of waiting time, if that. This is our first step as we continue to improve the service for onboarding and finance issues. So blah, 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 we appreciate it. This is no longer the case, and we're working hard to rebuild our online image. So they recognize that they've had an issue. Keep in mind, Cantaloupe, the other credit card reader company, that's the big dog, they had issues before. They've had issues before in the past too. So it seems like they trade off back and forth of who wants to understaff or not handle issues. So it's not like they're all, the grass is greener on the other side. So they have addressed this. I'm reporting to you, as of, this is as of November 2023, that they recognize it, and that from their words, 5 minutes is the average wait time. So I'm curious, in the comments, let me know if you have any of these card readers and you have called technical support. Is that the case? All right. Is it actually the waiting times are going down, or are you still experiencing trouble? But I wanted to share that news with you to let you know that they obviously are aware of the issue, and they feel that they have addressed it and will continue to address it. Remember, if you want to get one of these or Cantaloupe, whatever you want to get, and save some money at checkout, or call them on the phone, it doesn't matter. Promo code HillVending, and you can save on every device that you buy. Promo code HillVending at checkout. So again, sharing that breaking news from Nayax, and we'll see where it goes from here. If I hear any updates, I'll let you know, but please let me know in the comments if you've experienced any improvement in their service. And most importantly, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.